Oh, yeah. Oh, good day, brothers and sisters. Alive, dwelling in the garden, Saigon. It's now. Today's show, I am the all and the nothing, without distinction, nameless. Because it's turtle time. And these are the Stickman files, the revelations of the Stickman. I'm just here to deliver the message. They call me Rodney Josephson. YouTube channel 3041. This is made for the 29th of August 2026. But before we get into it, because I'm in no rush, I like to dwell in the garden here. In Saigon, yeah. A little different angle here. Plants everywhere. And just hanging out with the plants. Paradise. The Garden of Eden. Oh, look at the reflection. Okay. I've got my things in order. I think I can begin. So, yeah, you can see there's the Stickman in the middle. Before we get into the deep dive, here's the basis of all this. Oneness, or the monad. The all and the nothing. So this represents breathing. Expansion, contraction. All is one, one is all. Seek within, for the world is without. As above, so below. And here's the pyramid down here, and there's the abyss. This represents all the seasons, the birth signs, months, years, the 4 elements, everything. And that all boils down to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the center. That's what it all boils down to. That's what the Stickman said. So, let's start off with the number 4 here. Truth and witness. Exodus 20:16. Thou shalt not, misspelling here. Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor. In other words, no deception, lies, cheating. Truth. Only truth. And that comes through resonance, too. Or that is resonance. John 8:32. And ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. Or wake you up, too. Deuteronomy 6:4. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one Lord. This is from Israel called back. Now, Israel means consciousness. Isis Ra'el, the divine masculine and feminine God. The divine masculine and feminine God as oneness. One. Every man is the divine masculine and feminine. Jeremiah 31:3. Yeah, I have loved thee with an everlasting love. Therefore, with a loving knowingness have I drawn thee. Drawn. Well, I guess I've drawn that, haven't I? To draw also means to bring in, collect, I think. Put it into form. I think, if that's how the Stickman explained it to me. Oh, yeah, 3. 2. So this is a mission fulfilled. John 17:4. I have glorified thee on the earth. I have finished the work which thou gavest me to do. So, in essence, the meaning is that everyone has had a mission to find themselves with the all and the nothing, all internally organized back to the oneness where it originally came from. Timothy 4:2. I have fought a good fight. I have finished my course. I have kept the faith. I've done what I've done. I've did what I did, and I do what I do. And I've maintained the faith, the so-called belief, the faith, the knowing that this is the truth. And number 1, return to glory. John 17:4. And now, O Father, glorify thou me with thine own self, with the glory which I had with thee before the world was. So, in other words, as the story goes, we are whole, perfect, and complete before the world was. And then we had become separated, divided in this world, in this realm. And this is saying, bring me back to that united wholeness I was before this all was made. Isaiah 61. Arise, shine, for the light has come, and the glory of the Lord is risen upon thee. So you could say the climactic element is that the light has shown all the things of this world, whatever they are. You can say good, bad, whatever. And it's time to, and the time has come to rise out of that abyss. And this is all ordained or pre-told in Scripture of various religions. And they all have the same, they're all related, or relevance, to the same idea. It's the inner revelations of unity and joining back to the true self, of knowing what has happened and what, why it's happened and what is to be, or what is now. Whole, perfect, and complete. Whole, perfect, and complete. That's it. And then you have risen back to that glory you were already, but you had forgotten through the processes of this wonderful world of Caesars. And so, as described in Scripture and all the other languages, you have been given the key to the door to all, the so-called new world, or the new way of truth, harmony, love, and abundance for all, for everything and everyone. And that's the completion. They call it the 7 years tribulation, 1,260 days, 3.5 years, or whatever. It is complete at that stage. And so basically that's the gist of this video. No distinction, no name. Just oneness in its true essence. That's it. That's what the Stickman has informed me, and that's what I know. And it's time. It's time. Thank you, Stickman, and thank you, the all and the nothing, for this information. And thank you for watching, too. Thank you for the wonderful garden here. My dream came true. So I'm going to leave it there, brothers and sisters. If you have any questions, drop me a line. Want to read my books? Go ahead and read them. Check out my music. Check out my other videos. It's up to you. Rise out of the abyss, brothers and sisters. Okay, that's it. Alive, dwelling in a garden, Saigon. It's now. Ciao.